Hey everyone, in this video we will discuss how to model date and time fields in Power BI. So let's say you've got one column which has got the date and the time. The ideal way to model it is that you divide the field into date and time. So here in this case I've got crime data and I've broken it into crime date and crime time. So you can do it as part of M code, or you can do it as part of ETL before you even bring the data into Power BI. It's totally dependent on you. And once you've got this data which is divided into date and time, you model it in a way that you join the time dimension. So here you can see that the time is joined to the crime time and the date is joined to the crime date. Now the reason for that is that let's just quickly go to the dim timetable. So this is just for one 24-hour period and it's got 86. Let's just go back here. So it's got 86,400 rows. Now let's say so one day would have 86,400 rows. So if you've got maybe 100 years of data, multiply it by 100, so you'll have a monstrous date table. So then you want to divide it further and you're breaking apart your dimensions into date and time. And then you can also add, like maybe you want to do some sort of grouping on your timetable. So you want to see how the crimes trended by every hour of the day, or so the first hour we are just saying 0 to 1 and then 1 to 2. So I've created some logic where I've divided it in, and if we go and have a look, we can see that the time interval where we can see the maximum crime. So you can add more grouping or add more slicers specific to the time dimension or specific to the date dimension. So for example, you could have a holiday and you want to filter out on holiday. That flag would go and sit in the date table. You could have maybe fiscal flag or some other calendar flag which you want to add. Depending on how you want to place it, you could probably put it in the date dimension. In the time, you could also have, like over here, I've created this hour grouping and you can see it's just a very simple one, 1 to 2. So if the hour is 0, then we just saying 0 to 1. So I've essentially got 24 groupings, but you could have smaller groupings. You could have morning, evening, night, and you could probably go and see how the crime is trending by a specific time of the day. So the correct modeling is to break your field that's coming in your fact into date field and time field, and then you create separate tables. One is the date table and the time table, and then you join it, and any additional flags or slicers you need, you add it to the respective dimensions, whether it is the date dimension or the time dimension. So in this video we've discussed what is the correct way to model date time. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.